Hi guys, this is Gaurang and we are back in 100 days challenge of question practice. 100 days challenge of question practice, and this is day 4. So let's get started. The include stub will read in an integer n without any string methods. 1, 2, 3. Note that dot dot represents consecutive. Example input print string. Oh, so the input of the number will the computer input if the length of the input will be the length of the printing numbers, like 5 is length of the numbers, and the answer is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so first we will make range for I in range and 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, now we will make a variable of 0 and will increase the value. W is equals to w plus I. Okay, print w. Oh, it will take, it will increase the value, it will not properly work, so will no, I'll show you. Let's run this code. Yeah, it, see, it takes 136 because the w remains the same, so I'll show you like that. We'll zero the w. Now let's run this code. Yeah, now it's fixed, and now we'll make these numbers in one line. And is equals to string go. Yes, it's now properly worked. Let's see if it's right or not. So let's go. Okay, it's completed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Goodbye.